Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see how we can return an item on Amazon. So let's get started. Open your Amazon app and in the top left you can find a menu. Click on that, and after that you can see an option called your orders. Please click on that. After clicking on your orders, you will be seeing all your orders listed. So I'll select the order which I want to return. So your order details will be fetched. So you can see the order information, and you can see an option called need help with your item there. The option is there, return or replace item. So I'll click on that because I want to return the item. So here you can see the options like why are you returning this, incompatible or not useful, item arrived, both product and shipping got damaged, item defective. So item wasn't working, so that's the reason I'm returning it. So I'm clicking on that and I'll click on continue. I've selected the why are you returning this option. If you want to add any comments, you can click on add comments and you can add that. If you don't want to add anything, you can just directly click on continue. So now you can see how can we make it right. So you can see that they can replace this with an exact same item. We'll ship you a replacement of the item you are ordered at no extra charge. I agree to return all MRP items. So you can either request for a replacement or you can click on refund. Because I don't want replacement, so I'll say that I want a refund. So I'll click on I agree to all items. So I have the MRP tax, so I'll click on checkbox. If I have that only, then I can continue, otherwise I cannot. So I click on that continue. So that's the reason it is advisable not to throw away your MRP tax until and unless you feel the item is working as per your expectation. And even after that you shouldn't throw, because based on that only you can claim the warranty. So now I'll click on continue. After clicking on continue, I can now I'll select how will you mail your return. So they'll ask you for the pickup address and a refund summary also, like the amount which you have costed, and if you the return address as well. If you wish to change the address you want to return, then you can click on change address and you can select multiple address if it is listed. If it is not listed, then go back and add a new address and then you can select it this way. So now I'll click on confirm your return. And now you can see that your pickup is scheduled. Hand over your items to the Amazon pickup agent and you're done. So this way you can return an item on Amazon using Amazon mobile app. So hope this video was helpful to understand how to return an item. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any query related to this process, let me know through the comment section. If you have any other tech or money related queries, let me know through the comment section. I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a fantastic day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.